Hi, it's Mark from Bay-Lynx, and today I want to speak to you about wear blades, the bane of most people's life with the auger. How do we know when to change them and how do we change them? So basically, if we get a look at one of our wear blades here, we have a built-up edge around the top of them. So normally, once we get to that point where this has disappeared, it's a good time to start thinking about changing your wear blades. If you go much further than that, what we can end up with is we have 2 bolt holes on this one, and believe it or not, we do have plenty of people that bring them in and they've actually worn, so they've only got half a hole left to put a bolt through, and even with the best intentions you can't get that to work. Different types of wear blades, so we have our paddles, which is held on by 2 bolts. We have our smaller wear blade, the top section, which are 2 bolts, and then right down at the bottom, hidden away nicely here, we've got our 3 bolt wear blades that are a thicker one, where we take the brunt of the wear of the auger. How to change them? It's as simple as literally get Allen keys into these bolts here, spanner on the back, and you should be able to wind them off and then put your new one on. What I would say to you as you try and put them on, because these are a cast piece, if they look like they don't quite line up around the line of the flight that they're sticking to, make sure you pack them out with washers. If you don't do this, as you tie them up, you've got a likelihood that they're going to snap.